here to pick up a G-Wagon. It's a repossession, but the police have done our job for us. They must have found it for some reason or other, and they've impounded it. So it's simple, just go and pick it up, take it to the destination. I've just got to get it released. I'm not allowed to film in there, so you won't see me picking it up, but I'll see you in a minute when I've got it. Well, in about an hour probably. They're very slow in there, but yeah, let's see what it's like. Right, it is loaded, strapped down, and I am out of there. It did take a while, but eventually I've got it. Let's get out of here, get around the corner, and I'll pull over and do my pictures. Turns out it is a finance repossession. It has a key, but the battery on it is flat, and it has a ghost immobiliser, and they don't know the code. So I believe it's ended up in there for two reasons. Either the guy that wasn't paying the finance company must have reported it stolen and the police found it, or he drove it with no insurance and got stopped. Either way, lovely car, flat battery, windows down. They've taped them up instead of powering it up to close them. But yeah, definitely a beautiful thing, one of my favourites. Whether or not I'll ever own one in my lifetime, who knows. But yeah, at the moment, dream world. But yeah, a lovely car. So yeah, so it's picked it up, very heavy, and we're all strapped down. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a quick look inside. Yeah, I do like these. This one doesn't look like it's being looked after very well though. But yeah. Yeah, I think he said the battery was dead as a door now. It is. Right. Let's get me pictures and then I'll head off to the finance company's place. Right. See you there. Right, all straps off, ready to lift down. Let's get these legs out. Which is pretty heavy. have to unhook these and then move the thing because it's so tall. Now I can move it forwards a bit. We have it. She's all dropped off. What a lovely looking car it is. I really like them. It's one of my all-time favourites. That and Porsche 911s. They're probably my two favourite cars. But all I get to do is repossess them. Never get to own one. But yeah, anyway. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, for all your recovery needs, you know what to call. Recovery. I'll leave a link in the description. Cheers, mate.